Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix unable to complete request on the Papa Zone app using iPhone. Let's get started. First, this message usually appears when the app is having trouble connecting to the internet, loading your order, or communicating with Papa Zone system. It does not usually mean there is a problem with your account. Now let's try to fix quickly. First, check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back. Next, close the Papa Zone app completely. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Papa Zone app to close it completely. And then reopen it and try again. Now check if the app needs an update. Go to the App Store on your phone, search for Papa Zone and see if there is an update available. An outdated app can cause errors. If the problem still continues, restart your iPhone. Trying turning your phone off and back on helps clear temporary issue. Another thing to check is your order details. Make sure your delivery address, payment method, and card items are correct. Sometimes the app cannot complete the request if something is missing or invalid. As a last option, you can delete and reinstall the app or place your order through the Papa Zone website instead. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.